Hello everyone. Today, let's learn about English words and clothes topic.
T-shirt. T-shirt.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a T-shirt. He is wearing a T-shirt.
Shirt. Shirt.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a shirt. He is wearing a shirt.
Blouse. Blouse.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a blouse. She is wearing a blouse.
Sweater. Sweater.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a sweater. She is wearing a sweater.
Jacket. Jacket.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a jacket. He is wearing a jacket.
Coat. Coat.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a coat. She is wearing a coat.
Who is wearing a T-shirt?
Number 1. He is wearing a T-shirt.
Who is wearing a sweater?
Number 4. She is wearing a sweater.
Who is wearing a blouse?
Number 6. She is wearing a blouse.
Who is wearing a jacket?
Number 2. He is wearing a jacket.
Who is wearing a coat?
Number 5. She is wearing a coat.
Who is wearing a shirt?
Number 3. He is wearing a shirt.
Skirt. Skirt.
What is she wearing?
She's wearing a skirt. She's wearing a skirt.
Jeans. Jeans.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing jeans. He is wearing jeans.
Trousers. Pants.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing trousers.
He is wearing pants.
Shorts. Shorts.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing shorts. She is wearing shorts.
Let's play a quiz game.
Who is wearing shorts?
Number 3. She is wearing shorts.
Who is wearing a skirt?
Number 1. She is wearing a skirt.
Who is wearing trousers?
Number 4. He is wearing trousers.
Who is wearing jeans?
Number 2. He is wearing jeans.
Who is wearing pants?
Number 4. He is wearing pants.
Shoes. Shoes. What is he wearing?
He is wearing shoes. He is wearing shoes.
Sneakers. Sneakers.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing sneakers. She is wearing sneakers.
Flip-flops. Flip-flops.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing flip-flops. He is wearing flip-flops.
Boots. Boots.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing boots. She is wearing boots.
Socks. Socks. What is he wearing?
He is wearing socks. He is wearing socks.
Sandals. Sandals.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing sandals. She is wearing sandals.
Let's play a quiz game.
Who is wearing flip-flops?
Number 3. He is wearing flip-flops.
Who is wearing socks?
Number 2. He is wearing socks. Who is wearing sneakers?
Number 5. She is wearing sneakers.
Who is wearing boots?
Number 4. She is wearing boots.
Who is wearing sandals?
Number 1. She is wearing sandals.
Hat. Hat.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat.
Cap. Cap.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a cap. He is wearing a cap.
Glasses. Glasses.
What is she wearing?
She's wearing glasses. She's wearing glasses.
Scarf. Scarf.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a scarf. She is wearing a scarf.
Gloves. Gloves.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing gloves. He is wearing gloves. Let's play a quiz game. Who is wearing a hat?
Number 4. She is wearing a hat.
Who is wearing a cap?
Number 1. He is wearing a cap.
Who is wearing a scarf? Number 5. She is wearing a scarf.
Who is wearing gloves?
Number 3. He is wearing gloves.
Who is wearing glasses?
Number 2. She is wearing glasses.
Belt. Belt. What is he wearing?
He is wearing a belt. He is wearing a belt.
Tie. Tie.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a tie. He is wearing a tie. Watch. Watch.
What is he wearing?
He is wearing a watch. He is wearing a watch.
Swimsuit. Swimsuit.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing a swimsuit. She is wearing a swimsuit.
Pajamas. Pajamas.
What is she wearing?
She is wearing pajamas. She is wearing pajamas.
Let's play a quiz game.
Who is wearing a watch?
Number 1. He is wearing a watch.
Who is wearing a belt?
Number 4. He is wearing a belt.
Who is wearing a tie?
Number 2. He is wearing a tie.
Who is wearing pajamas?
Number 3. She is wearing pajamas.
Who is wearing a swimsuit?
Number 5. She is wearing a swimsuit.
You did a great job. Don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more. Goodbye.